Hey guys, let's keep doing that Getty thing. This is kind of fun. So the last one we did was this one, and we cold called to the music, which was kind of fun, and it's something for people to think about. I think it's all this stuff is called flexible performance capabilities, which is a Harvard study. If you get good at this, try it with that, and it works. Um, so I have the drawing up there, so I'll just use that. Okay, so I'm going to hit the same song. And I'm going to use this. This is a Pentel Brush Pen. Here's the last one. The other one's another sketchbook. And again, we're constantly pushing our repertoire of techniques. Techniques, just what you put on top. Underneath is all your fundamentals. So let's have a little fun with this one. But first, we have to have music. We're in our school shirt. All of the stuff we're talking about is taught at our school. It's also in our videos. So if you buy the videos online, you'll have it. If you got a question, just give us a call. Just call the school, Sheldon's Art Academy. All right, here we go. Wait for the song. I'm just starting with right with the shoulder. We'll go female again. All right, just a scribble. Same pose, different technique. It's kind of fun. We'll do more. Okay.